Hello and welcome back to Thomas Talks, and today we're going to do another Louis Vuitton unboxing video, so stay tuned for this video. So if we start this video in the obvious place with the box, it is an unboxing video. Standard kind of Louis Vuitton box, it's kind of one of the smaller ones in comparison to this bad boy that holds the monogram Eclipse passport holder. You can kind of see the size difference. It's a lot larger. And I think it's probably, well, it's hard to say about hand size, but it's not that big. You're probably looking maybe about, what, 15 centimetres, 14 centimetres, I think, kind of size of that. But it is in that classic Louis Vuitton font, and you've got the orange going across there. And go ahead and pull this little drawer down. I always love these boxes. Get a little Louis Vuitton dust bag there. And inside the, obviously, some people who are interested inside the box, we've got just like, there's your little textured Louis Vuitton piece. So I'm just going to switch the camera around so you guys can see the proper unveiling of this, just so it'd be fair on you guys. So hopefully you guys find this little setup a little bit better. And so open up the dust bag. Again, nothing too exciting there, just your standard Louis Vuitton dust bag. Louis Vuitton printed on it. And this is the Louis Vuitton Slender Wallet in the black épée leather. I've put some shots in it now. So as you can see, it's pretty nice, nice and kind of texturized leather. Got it because it's going to be kind of hard wearing. I've obviously, full disclosure, it actually has been used a little bit, but I forgot to do an unboxing video, so this is a impromptu unboxing video while we're here in lockdown. So the first thing you might notice, or not notice, is there is a distinct lack of an LV stamp or print. A quick comparison to my other Louis Vuitton in the Damier Ebene canvas. You can see there's like Louis Vuitton print noticeable straight off the bat. This particular one, it said it's only got a little Louis Vuitton in the bottom right hand corner. If you can see it there. And that's the only real way to know, otherwise it's quite discreet. If we open it up, it's just the same as the other Slender Wallet. So you've got enough space there for 8 cards. And space here and space there. And again, if you wanted to shove some stuff inside there, you could. This particular one is made in France. I know they seem to be a little bit more desirable according to things I've seen on Instagram and on YouTube. The US ones don't seem to be everybody's favourite. But this little texturized guy, it's a nicer kind of sole. This kind of, this Ebene leather, and it's quite a nice material, a lot more hard wearing than the canvas, but that's soft, as you can see in the corners where I get a little bit dog-eared. So we'll give you a couple look there now. So you've got the silver hot stamp in there for the Louis Vuitton made in France on the left hand side. There is room there if you wanted to get it hot stamped with your initials or something there, or maybe something up here. And again, you've got your 2 sections there for some coins or receipts and things like that. And while I'm on it, the main thing to take away is, right now this is £340 including the new price increase in the UK. So if you guys want to do a conversion, if you're in Australia or America, the main thing to take away is that this card is, or sorry, this Slender Wallet is 8.5 centimetres by 11 centimetres, or for our US friends, 3.3 inches by 4.3 inches, roughly. I know the exact website, if you quickly look at it, it's going to give you more exact size. They're saying 3.35 and 4.33 inches, sorry, for the US people, but the conversion wasn't too far off. I just want to do a quick unboxing video anyway, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So thanks very much for watching my video on the Louis Vuitton Slender Wallet. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Thomas Talks below, and I'll see you next video. Ciao!